Good morning. Welcome to your daily operations weather briefing. Well, we have conditions much like yesterday morning with some abundant cloudiness out there this morning, but we are going to see another very warm day with those temperatures expected in the 80s once again today as we go into the late morning and afternoon hours. We're also going to see a chance of some showers later on this evening. They should be pretty minimal in coverage as they move through, and we'll only see them last through the nighttime hours. Coming to an end by tomorrow morning, we should see everything off the coast by about 8 o'clock in the morning. I want to take a quick look here at our current surface analysis, and you can see that front off to our west that will be approaching the area as we go into the evening hours tonight. Not expecting a lot of coverage along that front. We'll see the showers kind of broken up as they come through later on tonight. But what we will see are some windy conditions behind the front that will be with us by early tomorrow morning and lasting through the day on Friday and also into the nighttime hours on Friday and into the first part of Saturday as well. So expect some windy conditions and some cooler air being filtered into the region by tomorrow. I want to take a quick look here at our radar. You can see we did have a little bit of reflectivity showing up on radar this morning as those showers were having a hard time hitting the ground, kind of drying up before they made it to the surface. And you can see that really dissipating even more as they make their way over. So not expecting any precipitation this morning and really not expecting much chance until later on this evening. Looking at our live cam off to the northeast this morning, you can see some beautiful conditions here at Wallops with that sun kind of peeking through those mid and upper level clouds this morning. And again, very comfortable conditions out there with temperatures expected in the 80s once again today. Looking at our infrared satellite, you can see those clouds making their way from west to east and some higher cloud tops well off to our west in the Kentucky, West Virginia area starting to make their way into Virginia this morning. Again, that will be all coming this way in association with that cold front, and we will see a chance for some showers as we go into the evening. I want to take a look at our 3-kilometer NAM computer model and what we can expect as we go through the day. Most of this activity will be passing off to our north, and as we go into the evening, that'll be our really only chance to see any kind of convective activity with the slight chance of some thunderstorm activity as we see enough instability during the evening to potentially see some embedded thunderstorms. So this is about 7 o'clock this evening. You can see that activity passes off to our north. So I think we'll have a hard time getting any thunderstorm activity off to the south. And then after midnight, when we do see those showers really starting to make their way this far south, the instability will be gone. So we will see just the shower activity in here during the overnight hours and into the wee hours of the morning on Friday. So not much chance for any kind of lightning with this frontal passage, only about a 10% chance that we'll see that occurring, and we'll cover that in a little bit more detail here in the forecast. So as we take a look currently out there, just those mid and upper level clouds, got a deck around 12,000 feet, another deck of broken clouds around 25,000 feet with unrestricted visibilities. Our winds out of the west-southwest at 9 knots, temperature at 72 degrees, and a relative humidity at 71%. For the next 24 hours, we are looking at, again, another warm day, high of 83 degrees under partly to mostly cloudy skies out there. Winds will be breezy once again today out of the southwest at around 9 to 14 knots sustained. Could see an occasional gust in the low 20s, but do think we'll see those winds stay under 25 knots until this afternoon into the evening as that front draws closer to our area. Best chance of precipitation tonight will be in the evening and overnight hours, probably early morning hours of Friday, right around 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning will be our best chance of seeing precipitation. See an overnight low temperature around 62 degrees with those winds turning from southwest to northwest early tomorrow morning. That's when we'll really see them pick up to around 27 knot gusts possible by 8 o'clock in the morning. And then we'll see even higher gusts throughout the day on Friday. So a very good chance of seeing a wind advisory issued by early Friday and continuing throughout the day. See a high of 73 with those early morning showers giving way to partly to mostly cloudy skies by late morning. And then as we go into Friday evening, those windy conditions will continue and some much colder air will be filtering into the region. We'll get up to a high of 73 during the day on Friday, and then that cold air really uh, makes its way into the Wallops region by Friday night. We'll see a low of 44. And then for Saturday, mostly sunny and breezy conditions. It will be cooler than what we've seen most of this week with a high of 65, but right around average for this time of year. That'll wrap it up for today's daily operations weather briefing. We'll be back again at 10 a.m. for a look at your extended forecast. Have a nice day.